Okay, in the previous video we showed you how to quickly scan out and remove items that are lower value type items that don't carry serial numbers. Let's quickly just show you the differences now in the way the software responds when you remove a higher value serialized type item. So you can see we've got a laptop here, 16 of those in stock, and an Abbott pump, quantity 6 of those in stock. So let's go now to the same remove screen that we used in the previous video, and let's go ahead and just take out one of each of those items just to kind of show you an example of how that functions. We can take it out to this staff person. Since these are higher value items, we may want to be tracking who has those items. So let's go ahead and just scan out the laptop type item. Now you can see the screen, instead of just immediately removing quantity 1 by default, we need to know which serial number we want to be removing at that moment. So let's just go ahead and indicate we're only allowed to take out quantity 1 of a serialized type item. So we'll go ahead and do that. That item was removed successfully. And now in this case, let's go ahead and remove one of the pumps. Okay, you can see those come up with their serial numbers in the grid. Go ahead and maybe pick this one by serial number. So we want to remove that, and go ahead and do that. So now let's go to the view inventory screen, and you can see those have been reduced from 16 and 6 down to 15 and 5. Now why did that screen respond differently in this video compared to the previous one? Well, if you go to our manage items screen, you can see here for these two types of items, let's take a look at how they're set up. They've been set up as serialized type items. So if we were to go ahead and remove and change that to no, then the screen would have responded the way it did in the previous video and use a dedicated location. So what we show you with this video and the previous one is that the screens to remove are tuned around how you set up the items. They can be made to be extremely simple, for items where you want to be simple, and then other cases where you want high value assets to be carefully managed, you can do that. Thank you.